In today's video, I'm going to be doing this really fun drawing, this chrome hand, and it is a little warning, a little bit of explicit content with the middle finger poking out. However, for those that want to keep watching, I want to show you this really cool, kind of edgy piece of art that I saw on Pinterest of just like this chrome hand, and I'm like, you know what? I've been loving drawing in white pencil, and I'm trying out with white charcoal on black construction paper. So we'll see how this goes. I noticed the white is not as harsh. I have to kind of use a little bit more versus a white colored pencil. It's a little bit different of a medium. However, I thought I'd show you the real time. So I do a lot of different time lapses to kind of just show you how slow the art process actually can take. But here I am DIYing some fun, trendy like art for my bedroom, because instead of buying some art lately, I've been like, let's just now start creating art. I've been drawing every single day, and I'm trying to do it for 100 days. You can follow along on my shorts and also on different social media accounts on my Instagram and TikTok at @CraftyWithJackie. And any of these prints that you might like, I probably will be putting them on my Etsy. I have other prints there ready to go, so please check it out at getcraftywithjackie.etsy.com if you'd like. And if not, please like and subscribe. That helps me out. I can keep making fun, creative content. And maybe I'll be doing a giveaway soon, so keep watching to hear more about the giveaways coming up in some of these new videos. But I am just starting off. How I'd attack this drawing is I originally start off with an HB light colored graphite pencil, and then I go in over and start with the highlights first, and then I get the shaping, and just it kind of just builds itself. Once you start with a certain either shadow or highlight, you get the full approach. Keep watching to see how this piece ends up looking and turning out, and I'm so excited to share another fun DIY video with you guys. Now we are finally done. I'm so glad with how this turned out. What do you think? Would you want this as an art print? Comment below.